Morning students, as we already prepared the more solution, now we are going to perform the practical of titration, in which we will deduct the molarity of KMnO4 in this solution. So for that we need a clemstain, a burette. It is burette. In this burette there is a stopcock through which we can add dropwise KMnO4 in the solution. Okay, now KMnO4 solution is required. 10 ml pipette is required. It is pipette and here 10 ml is written, and this here is a sign indicates the 10 ml. Okay students, here is the sign which indicates 10 ml. One beaker is required in which we take this solution, more salt solution, ferrous ammonium sulfate solution, which we have prepared already in previous video. Now let me take 20 ml of more solution in this beaker with the help of this pipette. So let me pip it out. We want 10 ml. So few drops we have to remove. Okay student, this is our 10 ml solution. Again yes, perfect. It is again 10 ml solution I have taken. Now it is 20 ml solution. Now let me take HCl. This is the 10 ml test tube. So one test tube full HCl I will add in this solution. In this solution I am doing. Okay students, now it is 30 ml solution. Now take this KMnO4 in this burette. Before taking, first rinse it. So put some quantity of KMnO4 inside this and rinse this like इस तरह से इसको रिंस कर लेते हैं इससे प्रॉपरली. Now student, it has rinsed with KMnO4. Now few drops of KMnO4 put again inside the bottle. Now attach this burette with the stand properly so that you can see the marks. Now fill this burette with KMnO4. So for that I need a funnel. So let me take a funnel. Okay students, here is a funnel. With the help of this funnel I will put the KMnO4 inside the burette. Fill this burette up to 0. Let me check whether it is 0 or not. No, few drops more required. We can take out few drops for balance the level. Yes, now it is 0. Okay, student, it is 0. Now let's start our practical. For that we will add dropwise KMnO4 inside this beaker and we will shake it, and we need not to add any indicator inside the solution because KMnO4 itself indicator. So in this we have add 10 ml of HCl, so that now it is become acidic. Now I will add KMnO4 inside this and neutralization process will be there, and as this solution will neutralize, this will turn into light pink, because in basic medium KMnO4 will be pinkish. Okay, so let's start our practical. Dropwise we have to perform. We have to add KMnO4 dropwise and let's shake. इसमें एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन है, ड्रॉप वाइज इसमें KMnO4 ऐड करेंगे। कलर चेंज होने के बाद ब्यूरेट में हम इसका वॉल्यूम नोट कर लेंगे, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ सिंपल फार्मूला वी कैन डिडक्ट the molality of KMnO4 in this solution. It must be drop wise. Okay. Okay students, now it has turned light pink. Our solution has turned light pink. After that we have to stop this. Now we will take reading the burette. Sir, please. Now student, as you can see, 0 to 9, therefore 9 ml of KMnO4 we have added in this solution. Now we will calculate the molality of solution on the board. Okay. Okay students, now we will solve the molality of KMnO4 with the help of this formula. M1V1 equal to M2V2. M1, student, M1 is the molality of more solution, which we have taken 1 by 10. V1, volume of more solution. Volume of more solution was 100 ml. M2, molality of KMnO4, which we want to solve. V2, volume of KMnO4. So just I 9 reading was there. also 9 mm it is. Now we can solve the molarity of M2 with the help of this formula. M2 means molarity of KMnO4. So for this 0 and 0 will get cancel out, and we will divide it by 9. So 10 upon 9 M2, 10 upon 9. So let's divide 1.1 approx molar. It is the molarity of KMnO4. Okay student, thank you for watching.